Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's Workshop, and welcome to issue 43 of Build Your Own Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 from the year 1967. Yes folks, remember also if you'd like to build along with me, follow this link to the DeAgostini website. There's a clickable version in the description below. Head over there and take out a subscription to this 1/6 scale model. You will not be disappointed, folks. We'll have a quick shufty through the magazine. There's the Shelby 1000 maximum power. This is the Shelby story section. Tells you all about the history of the car and different iterations of the car and all the spec and all of that lot. Then you've got your intermediate chassis section is what we've got today, folks. So the car's beginning to grow, hence why I've cleared my bench. Step-by-step instructions really are easy to follow, folks. You can't go wrong. If you're not sure, just check and double check your work and you'll be building this in no time at all. And this is what you're going to end up with at the end of this issue, and you can mock it up if you want with your seats just to get an idea of what it looks like. But it is really starting to grow now, this model, and you do get an appreciation of the size that the finished car is going to be. It is a shelf filler, folks. It will take up a bit of space. Next up, you got the Ford Mondeo at the BTCC, British Touring Car Championships, or competition. Different variations of the road-going version there. More about the car and the drivers that have driven it over the years. There's the technical information. There's one there all liveried up in its colours. BTCC is a bit I think it's our attempt at a NASCAR type thing on different competitive tracks and circuits. So yeah, I'd love big ovals in the UK so that you could have NASCAR racing over it. It'd be stunning to watch with all the banking. Right, so let's just grab our parts and we'll see what we're going to be assembling today, folks, which is this, okay? I'll just grab them and I'll lay it all out for you. We'll start our assembly. This is what you get, folks. Comes in a nice box wrapped up in tissue paper, beautifully protected. And this is die cast, folks, okay? So this is the intermediate chassis. We're going to be attaching that to the rear section. So you're going to need that as well, folks, okay? This is where your bench starts getting a bit full, okay? So I'll just grab my rear chassis and bring that on the bench and we'll start assembling this. There you go. As you can see, it's beginning to grow. Now these pins or recesses are going to locate over these 4 lugs, okay? So literally line it up, rest it into place, and then grab your first screw. Bit of oil because you're going into die cast, folks, okay? So we'll pop that in there, like that. And then we'll line that up just in there. I'll screw that straight in, like that. I'm going to do each side as its own because it's getting to that stage now where he's getting a bit big. And yeah, put your hand underneath to support your panel like that, and then just fully home that screw, and then I can just spin that round now on its wheels like a 3-point turn that you would do if you're a driver with your own car. And then we'll grab the next screw and we'll put that in place as well, just like that, okay? Support it with your hand, pop the screw in and engage it with the thread, and then home it into place, just like that, okay? And that will leave us the last screw then. Straight into situ like that. And then we can pop that in the final hole, just like so. And that is going to give you your completed Shelby GT. Look at the size of that, folks. Unbelievable, isn't it? Absolutely massive. I mean, I've got big hands and huge. And you've got another third of that to go on the front here with the front end. So it's going to be absolutely massive, folks. So that's what you're going to end up with at the end of this issue. Hopefully, hopefully you're enjoying this and watching this Mustang grow, because it really is spectacular. If you'd like to build one of these with me, head over to this link here. That'll take you to DeAgostini's website. There's a clickable link just below in the description. And to help me out, if you could, give a little festa a click in the corner there. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is free. That really helps me grow my channel. Also, if you ring the bell whilst you're there, you'll be notified of future content, folks. Until then, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.